Hello, today I want to tell you about some APIs I have been working on. Um, I was doing them just for testing purposes, but this might work for someone. So basically, I was thinking about um, the necessity there is due to the current pandemic about donations for any kind of items. Um, For example, there are some requests for um, food. So let's say that there is a specific area that needs eggs, sugar, rice, beans, whatever kind of food. So the APIs basically handle that in an easy manner. So we go to this URL, PTI main APIs management.developer.azure-api.net. Sorry about the URL. I'm still learning how to configure that with custom domains, and I'm having issues with that. So sign up. We'll sign up a new user. Okay. Okay. So after you sign up, I will receive an email. I'm sorry, you will receive an email um, requesting you to hit a link in order to confirm your email address. Okay, so after you have hit that link, you can sign in and you can go to explore and test the APIs. But first you need to do something more. You will see that here we have the APIs. Currently it has, okay, here's the service, and currently it has some operations. The one I'm talking about is these items donations. These ones are actually tests at the moment, and they are set to not really work. These ones are actually just kind of wrappers for the Azure maps for some testing. Okay, so we hit the endpoint, and it will take you to the endpoint description, how you work with it, and it will give you a button to try it. You will see that it actually requests a subscription key, and I don't have at the moment. So in order to request a subscription key, you need to go to products. You hit the product, which is PTI services. You see that it says your subscriptions if you don't have subs1 or whatever name you want to add to that subscription, but you will see that the actual state of the subscription is submitted. So I'll need to approve that subscription. Just a second, please, so I can approve it. Okay, so the subscription should be approved at the moment. We'll see, yeah, it says it's active, and you will see that here we have these keys. So we go to the APIs, we select the product, we hit any of the operations, we hit try it, and you will see that it actually, you already have the subscription keys in here, and here is actual link. You can select the other one, and yeah, there it is. And if you want, it gives you how the HTTP request is actually formed, and you hit send, and you will see the actual response that it says I forgot how you say latas in English, 20 cans of vegetables, and it gives you the rest of the information, if there are some volunteers or not. They request their full name, and they request their phone number. You can see this is actually some test. That's actually one of the reasons why the API is secured for the subscriptions, to only allow people who you can trust to input valid information. Okay, so yeah, you can keep testing. Okay, so the main purpose of that is to be able to do some kind of application like the following. Okay, let's give it just a couple of seconds for the development application to load. Okay, I got some error from Visual Studio. I'm sorry about that. Having some issues with my installation. Yeah, let's just wait some more minutes. Okay, let's try to run it again. So currently this actually launches two websites, the main API's website and the sample application I was using to test. So it already launched the API's site, and it's still loading the demo website, which is kind of just a proof of concept of how the application, how an application could work with these APIs. Okay. Okay, so this is the sample application. You see that there are some places where there are actually where there's actually data. This one was actually a test item, so you will see that this one says this is Spanish for fruits. It hasn't been delivered, it doesn't have any delivery date. Was requested at this latitude and then this longitude by someone there, right? So this is just valid data. And since it actually already exists, you can volunteer. And you can volunteer there. You can also hit any other point, and you set a chance to add required donation. So rice and beans at this point by Shondo. Okay, and you hit the add required donations. So that one is still I haven't finished it. So let's go back to the APIs portal. Okay, remove the I had closed it. Okay, so let's go back to the API portal, to the developer page. Let's sign in. Okay, no, I don't want to save that. Let's go to APIs, let's go services, and let's go to get required item, and let's test it. Let's use the primary key. Let's hit send, and we should probably see the new item somewhere around here. So here is the one for volunteer 2. Let's see. Let's hit this again. And yeah, I haven't clicked it. Rice and beans. I'm having an issue with my mouse that even if I click, sometimes it doesn't detect my clicks. So yeah, here it is, the rice and beans. It doesn't. There is no donation required at the moment because I didn't check the. I didn't use this checkbox. If you zoom, you see that you will see this is the one I did that. I recently just had, and yeah. I want to add some other point. I don't know. Let's see. Here we need clothes for 3 months old baby. Okay. Okay, I haven't do the loading this application yet, the reload, so need to reload that. If we go to this here, we should see that new data probably. Yeah, clothes for 3 months old baby. And yeah, so basically these APIs is what I've been working on, and they have the purpose to be able to do some kind of applications uh, like this in order to track where are required donations of which products. Then with that data and application, with that data from the APIs, you can create something like an index in Azure search with all that data to be able to create some application with search functionality to make it way easier to um, to find the data. So you could in that application to apply a search for rice or beans or whichever words um, you need. For example, let's say that you as a volunteer have quick access to a lot of rice and you want to donate a lot of it. So with an application integrated with Azure Search Index with this kind of data from the APIs, you will be able to find the places where rice is actually required and volunteer to that if it's close to your location or you have a ease of access to do the donation. So that's pretty much what I have been working on. Hope you like it, and please give me any feedback to make this better, and hopefully it keeps working. Thank you very much. Have a good day.